Wednesday, me and my friends spent a lot of time doing some work for our biology research paper. We have to find out stuff about plants. I don't really like bio, but this was good fun. During this specific test, we were doing some research on chloroplast in spinach and kale, I think. I then took the train home and spent pretty much all evening working on my extended essay, or senior project as some may call it. Off to therapy once more, and then on to some microscope work. Here you see me struggling real hard to show you what I was seeing through my microscope, and in the end, here it is. This was, I think, Friday, and I took this subway home because I needed to get some blood drawn, and then I continued doing some work for Spanish. Then at around 4:30 I started working and doing some coursework for Dutch because that needs to be handed in on Monday, and then the clock relatively quickly struck 5 o'clock, which meant that it was time to leave for practice. I'm sorry that this video is quite short. I'm hoping that the next one will be a bit longer, but thanks for watching and happy studying!